So now basically everything's completed on like the Redux side, but now we need to go in and make the UI actually dispatch out to Redux. Okay? So I want you to go to app.jsx just real quick. The first thing that we need to do is we need to basically make Redux available to React. So we're going to import provider from React-Redux. So React Redux is a package that all it does is it's just thin little bindings between React and Redux that make it easier to write Redux with React. It's by no means a hard requirement that you use React Redux. You definitely do not have to, but let me rephrase that you're going to want to, for sure. It just does a lot of the glue layer stuff that's really unfun to do. And they do a good job at it. So inside of browser router, we're just going to put provider, and then again right there, provider. So, yep, that's what I thought. Flow is going to yell at you, and this is another advantage to using Flow here. It's going to say, hey, I'm expecting something called store, and you did not give it to me. So, like, I just forgot momentarily that you also have to provide it a store. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So we're going to go import store from /store. And then here you're just going to say store equals store. So this is another reason that I like Flow. Like I love that my tools remind me to do stuff like this, because I totally would have forgotten and moved on right now. But that all happens because we have React Redux typings from Flow typed. Something that people will point out to me is that you could totally, it makes no difference if provider is on the outside or browser router is on the outside. It will work either way. I intentionally chose it this way because we're going to do server-side rendering tomorrow, and that makes it a lot easier if it's organized this way. But if you weren't doing server-side rendering, it wouldn't make a difference. Again, this is what's called a higher order component. It itself displays nothing, but it just does some stuff for you that it's going to put Redux on context, which is what we were talking about previously, so that we can refer to it in other places inside of our app. So that is what's happening there.